In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add equations in Notion. If you're using Notion for class notes, technical docs, or project planning, being able to show clean, readable math can make a huge difference. The good news is that Notion makes this simple, and I'll walk you through 2 easy ways to insert equations so they look great and stay consistent with the rest of your workspace. First, let's use the slash command. Click onto a brand new, blank line so your cursor is sitting there with nothing else on it. Now type /, then either math or equation, and press enter. Notion will immediately drop in an equation block. You'll see a field where you can type your formula, and it will render as you go. If you're comfortable with latex, you can use familiar syntax like /frac for fractions, /sqrt for square roots, and the caret for exponents, like x equals 2. Don't worry if something doesn't look right on the first try. Just keep editing in the same box, and Notion will update the formatting in real time. When you're done, click outside the block to continue writing your notes. The second way is through the plus button that appears to the left of a blank line. Hover your mouse at the left edge until you see the small plus icon, then click it. A menu will open with different block types. Scroll down and select block equation. If you don't want to scroll, you can type equation into the menu search bar to jump straight to it. As soon as you choose block equation, Notion creates the same equation field, ready for your input. Type your formula, confirm it looks good in the live preview, and then move on with your document. Both methods land you in the exact same place. A dedicated, centered equation block that stands out on the page. So pick whichever is faster for you. A quick tip for readability: keep equations on their own line, and use short text above or below the block to explain what the formula represents. That way, anyone reading your page can understand the context at a glance. And if you ever need to adjust the math later, just click the equation to edit it. Your previous formatting will stay intact as you make changes. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.